Get ready to unleash your potential on the hottest social media platform at the moment, TikTok. It is no secret that TikTok has taken the world by storm and has become a hub for content creators and brands alike. With its huge traffic and unique algorithm, TikTok has managed to maintain incredible organic reach and is unmatched really by any other social media platform out there. But the real question is how you can capitalize on this and how you can monetize your content on TikTok. Well, you're in luck because we have some tips that will help you monetize your TikTok account in no time. From sponsored content to merchandise sales, we've got you covered. So get ready to turn your profit into passion on TikTok. And no, you don't have to be an NPC.
So good. Take your kite, take your emoji. Yes, 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 yes. Yeah, strong.
Let's go with the first one. TikTok Creator Fund. Some time ago, TikTok announced the launch of a special fund to reward creators on the platform. They initially started with an allocation of $200 million, but due to the initiative's good reception, they expanded that to $1 billion for the United States and doubled that amount for the rest of the world. Now, this initiative enabled creators like you and me and everyone else to get money directly from TikTok, all right? Just like they do it on YouTube. And really, this initiative just gives you the money, and at the same time, they're just avoiding the fate that, for example, Vine had, which shut down when its creators left, due to no monetization options. So TikTok, way smarter. So that's the first one. Get the money directly from TikTok from Creator Fund. Now, the second one is called TikTok Shopping. Well, what happened in late October 2020, TikTok announced a global partnership with online platform called Shopify. You know what Shopify is. And the agreement is just actually allowing Shopify users to use TikTok to promote their products, user-generated content, videos, and all of those things. Shopify users can create and execute the whole campaign on TikTok and just lead the traffic to their stores. So if you already have a Shopify store or if you just want to try it out, it's a very good thing. Now, the third option that you can use in order to monetize your TikTok presence is direct links. And essentially, what are you trying to achieve? Just like Instagram's famous link in the bio, you've got link in the bio on TikTok. So what are you going to do? Create the content, leverage that to move that traffic to your website. For example, this person, Justice Bice, on TikTok, they have the link in the bio, which will then lead me to his link tree or whatever, or his website. And of course, he is an Amazon associate. All right. He's using something like Linktree. So it has a lot of links when you click on his website. And then I'm led to Amazon, of course, and whatever I buy, he will receive a commission because he's an affiliate. By the way, affiliate marketing with Amazon, such a nice thing. You should try it out if you want. So what is he doing essentially? He's just making a simple reviews of the products. So he doesn't show his face. He just takes these gadgets and all of these things and he just films his hands. So he's just showing us how to use all of these gadgets. And of course, a lot of people are just hooking on it. A lot of people are just clicking on the link, they buy it, and you can just judge this by the number of followers. He has almost 1 million, so you can just imagine the conversion rate on, let's say, this video. Have a look at this. Almost 60 million views. So just imagine the conversion rate on this one. This is by far my favorite monetization option because it allows you to choose your own products. It allows you to partner up with Amazon and you don't have to have your own products, as is in the case if you have a Shopify store. So you can just promote other people's products and get the commission for it. So it's really nice. The next option is TikTok Creator Marketplace, which is a whole another thing. This is the official platform for brands and creators to collaborate on TikTok, and they can just reach agreements with each other. For creators, this marketplace provides an easier way to monetize their content on the network. And for the advertisers, it's a free way to find the perfect influencer to promote their brand. And for both parties, it's just good. This platform offers data, tools, direct access, and communication at no additional cost. So everyone profits out of this one. What advertisers can do, well, they can just filter the creators based on different criteria, such as the topics they talk about, their reach, the demographics of their followers, average performance, or even interaction rate. Once the advertiser has selected the influencer, they can send them a message directly through this creator marketplace. And as with any other sponsorship, the key to marketing with influencers on TikTok is to look for a natural fit between the brand and the influencer. Now, in recent years, we've just seen a lot of advertisers just shine away from these like big influencers, because they just charge a lot, They're like super mega popular, but they just charge a lot more money. So what people find is that UGC is a far better option. First of all, it's not so expensive. And UGC tends to communicate better with people because when you see the ad and it just doesn't look like an ad and it looks just like person next door giving the review of the product that you're interested in, it's better for conversion rate, and they know that. So it's a whole new thing. So creator marketplace is really powerful. You can, of course, find a lot of information about UGC, or it's just called user-generated content, as you can see. And it's just real people making reviews. You can, of course, deal with user-generated content if you want to do it yourself, or if you just your own product to be just like advertised by a simple, normal person, and that will just communicate more. People just love that. And if you want to be the user-generated content creator, just apply yourself to content creator marketplace, or just offer yourself out to people. You can just go and, offer the service, right? Say to them, I can make user-generated content for this and that. Send them an example, of course, provide value first, and you will see that it is really powerful. Now, I told you that you don't have to be an NPC, but you can get a lot of money by going live. Now, there's a whole new trend, which is called NPC. I have a video about that. I made it recently, and I just made it because I saw this. So, for example, this person makes between $2,000 to $3,000 per stream, and up to $7,000 a day from her videos. And she's just like an NPC version of herself. So it's a funny thing, but it pays a lot of money. I mean, it's just crazy how much money you can get with videos like this one. Have a look at this one.
On live.
Now, I told you, you don't have to be an NPC, but there's tons of different ideas. You can come up with something that people would love to watch. And then how you earn money? Well, people will just buy these gifts and coins. They already have those, and they have them stored in some form of a digital wallet or something. And when they watch your live stream, they just send you gifts: roses, ice creams, cowboy hats, whatever. And each one of those costs certain portion of those coins. And whenever you get those coins, then you just convert them to diamonds, and then you convert them to money once you get $100. All right. So that is the basic principle of it. But now you just have to generate something, create some form of content if you're not camera shy, if you have the stomach for it, to show yourself live doing something, and then just waiting for people to hook on it. Or you can just go and follow certain trend that is already there, and you don't have to get an idea for yourself. You don't have to invent something new. You can, for example, just go with something that already works and get the money for it. All right. This is maybe the most exposing option of these all. As I've told you, Amazon affiliate marketing and these things, that's by far the best for me. But of course, it's all gonna depend on you. In the end, all you gotta do is to convert the traffic to money. There's a lot of people out there doing it. Just learn from them. Model someone else's success, and you will see that it's not too hard, but you gotta work for it. All right? I wish you good luck and a lot of money. I'll catch you.